Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the LCD. Okay. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure the laptop is off. Okay. Don't leave it on. Okay. Now you need to remove this frame right round. Okay. You just find something like a pencil flat one like this. Okay. Just try to open it. Just try to open the frame. And then you can start from the inside. Just ace it up like this a bit. You don't need to scare because this LCD is already cracked. Okay. But just be careful you don't break this frame. Okay. Just open it decently. Okay. Just ace it up. Open it right down, and when you ace the frame, you have to do it slowly so you don't break the frame. Just do it slowly like this. Okay. Do it slowly, open it right down, just ace it up. Be careful you don't break the frame, okay? Open it right down. Okay. After you open it right now, okay, you see something like a rubber on top here. At the top here, you see this something like rubber. You try to pull it. The glue is there. Just hold it like this. Pull it slowly. Okay, you pull it slowly, just like this. Make sure you pull all. Okay. Another one is this side also. Try to pull it also. Just pull it. Okay, you just try to pull it. Just pull it all until it come out. Okay. After you pull all the two rubber, it's very easy. The LT will just come out from inside very easy like this. Okay. Just open it slowly like this. Okay. Now you need to remove the connector here. Just open this rubber. Okay. Then this there is another clip here. This iron here. Just have to ace it up like this a bit. Okay, you be careful when you remove the LCD connector. You have to remove it one shot. Don't shake it so you don't short the motherboard. Just hold it with this rubber and this plastic. Just push it behind. Disconnect the LCD. Okay. Now it's time to fix the new LCD. Okay. You need to use a double tape to fix the LCD or use a glue. Okay. And when you put the glue before you fix the LCD inside, make sure you test the LCD first so that it's okay everything before you put the glue put on the glue. Okay, so that if the LCD have any problem, you can easily take it back when you return it, because when you put the LCD on the glue, it's already stuck. Okay, then you have to use a double tip like this. You just put at the four corner half. In case you fix the LCD, maybe after 1 week the LCD have problem, you can remove it back very easy. You're going to return it because the LCD have warranty. Just put half here. Okay, don't put it full. So that if you want to remove back the LCD, it's more easy for you. You put here also. Just put at all the four corner. Put here also. Okay. This glue will hold it, and the frame also can hold the LCD very nice. So you don't need to worry. Just put at the four corner like this. Okay. Then you remove the paper on top. Remove this one also. Remove the top one also here. Okay. Now when you fix the LCD, you don't need to shake the connector so you don't short the motherboard, because this LCD connector always have 19 volts on it. Even the laptop is off, still have voltage. So when you fix the connector, don't shake it, just put it straight because the battery is inside the motherboard. Okay, and make sure this clip is up like this. Okay, and you put the connector very straight on the LCD. Make sure you watch it is very straight inside. Okay, then you just push it inside one shot. Okay, don't bend it. Okay, then you fix this clip. Okay, then you put back this cover on top and close it very nice. Okay, then you just put the LCD very straight, don't bend it. Make sure you put it very straight, exactly how you take it. Make sure it's very straight like this, don't bend it. Make sure it's very straight. Fix it very nice like this, okay? Just squeeze it. Then the glue will rest properly on the LCD. Okay. Now you need to fix the frame back. Just fix the frame back. Start fixing from down like this. Just squeeze the clip. Okay. Fix it right hand and remove this plastic a bit. Make sure this plastic is up. Okay. Just press the frame to rest properly. Okay. Just like this. Just press it right around the LCD. Okay. The frame will hold the LCD very nice. Close very nice right around like this. Okay. Okay. Now on the laptop to test the LCD and see if it's working. The laptop is on. As you can see, the logo already show. That means the LCD is okay. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.